So hey guys, it is Bryce, and today I'll be showing you my dirt bike a little bit. And I'm kind of in my mom's shelter because I just went out to get something. Hey Mom. So now we're going to the basement where my dirt bike is. And mine might be bigger than some. It's kind of big, but let's see if my charger works. If it was out from the spring to the winter. And it's now I just found it in the garage. So let's see if it works. Here. I have to take off this coat. So let's see, I can plug it in and then see if it works. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it really works. And it's on green, but let's check what it looks like when it's plugged into my dirt bike. It might go, this might go right here. It might go right to red. Let me kind of get this set up, and then I can show you features of it. And it's red, even though it was in a different room. It was in the room right over here where we store our bikes. That was my grandma and grandpa's, but sadly, they kind of died. So this is where we store our bikes. That's my sister's. We have to fix that chain. Then over there is our electric scooter, and then that's my bike that I'm gonna see if I fit on this spring or summer. So let's show some features of the dirt bike. Put that right there. So if you sit on it, so like right there, where you twist, and then once you turn it on, I can't go anywhere because it's on charge, but like that. So then there's the brakes. I kept skidding and now I can't skid. Then there's where you so then there's where you charge it. But like, let me show better. I skidded off right here, all right here in this back wheel, and then it all just like skinned off a little bit, and then I think right here it's kind of muddy because I accidentally drove in puddles and it was like kind of muddy, and then it splashed all over. So I think these cords these are the brake cords. So then they go up. So they go up from right here, I think both, and then I think this one is power, or that's the other brake maybe. But this right here, I know that this right here, because then it would come up to right here, and then this pop, and then this cord, that's all just brakes. And I think right here, it's all just battery. Or no, my battery's right in here. And then brakes. This was only like $500 at Toys R Us. It goes pretty fast. Like, it's an SX500 McGrath. Then it's a Razor. Then it's the number 2. I recommend getting it. It's fast. It's miles is 15 per hour. It's pretty fast. Like, it'll say it's 15, but I think it's kind of faster. And then this is the cord. that I'm gonna have to get out. Right here, this cord. This was from my old charger, but then I broke it, ripping it apart, trying to get it off, and then it wouldn't come out. So one day I might fix that today. I might fix up my dirt bike today because it's missing a part and stuff. So, yep. So this is the dirt bike, SX500 McGrath Razor, and I recommend getting it. So thanks for watching. Peace.